You need to dive. That's what gives you an advantage. Chloe! Mike, you yell. I can't. Chloe, you're a good diver. Dive off the block.
Come on, Chloe, you can do it.
I know you're scared. Let the butterflies help you swim.
There you go. Come on, Maria. Come on, Maria.
Come on, Chloe, please.
Mom, she's gonna do what she's gonna do.
Yeah, but she could actually win if she gets off the block. She's a good diver.
You can do it, Chloe.
Woo! Go, Chloe! Yay!
Go, Chloe.
We're all proud of you.
Boys aren't even out here yet.
That's because there's 50 little girls. Something like that. Come on, Chloe. You got this, Chloe. Go, Chloe! Swim! Swim, Chloe! Swim! Go, Chloe, go! Swim, Chloe, swim! Go, Chloe, go! Go! Go, Chloe! Go! Keep swimming, Chloe! Don't stop! Go, Chloe! Woo! Why you listen to Mama?
She won, right?
Yes, she won.